In this guide, we are doing a full breakdown of how Ascensions work here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go to Sailor Island, so interact with any of these teleporters and make your way over to Sailor Island. And once you're here, you need to find the Ascensions NPC, which actually just spawns right here. Now, I'm actually going to take out Solo Hunter real quick, so give me a second. But essentially, interact with this guy right here, because this is where you unlock every single Ascension level. There's 10 total. Each one gives you a permanent bonus, like more gems, money, luck, and cooldown reduction. Early on, the requirements are super simple. You mostly level up, defeat enemies, and deal damage, and use abilities, and you can complete a lot of this just by playing normally. Mid-game, though, it does get more specific. You need different materials from different islands or start running dungeons like the Shadow Dungeon, for example, the Sid Dungeon. And later on, the grind gets way harder. You need way rarer drops from stronger bosses, plus more dungeon clears and higher damage requirements. In-game Ascensions require even more, though, like a high level around 13,000, large kill counts, huge total damage, multiple dungeon clears on harder difficulty, progress in the Infinite Tower, and rare drops from different bosses. The key trick in order to do this is just to progress everything at the exact same time. Don't just only farm one thing, level up, do dungeons, farm bosses together so you're always making progress. But overall, just start on Sailor Island and complete each of the requirements just like so. If you need specific breakdowns, I have videos on all of them, so make sure to check those out. If you guys had any questions, though, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.